Hello my friends, I have here a bass amplifier from a 700 watts active subwoofer. It has a problem, a strong 60 Hz rumble or hum. Alright, let's see what we can do. As you can see, here is the toroidal transformer. Here the rectifier and the filter section, 4 filters, 4 electrolytic filters. Here the 4 fuses, 2 for each canal, 2 relays, and below the drive section, here the control section. In the heatsink there are 6 transistors on each side. Here the NPN ones and over here the PNP ones. Okay. Now, what's the cause of the problem? Well, if you look more closely, these 2 capacitors are a bit stuffed in the top here. And these ones, no. Only 2. So the problem is here. All we have to do is to replace them by two new ones. Okay? This is a very common problem in this kind of amplifier. Okay, so when you have a 60 Hz rumble, always think in the filters as a first step. These electrolytic capacitors are 10,000 microfarads by 63 volts. So I have to replace them by a new ones. Okay? Okay, my friends, that's all for today. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.